Buying cryptocurrency with cash is simple. First, walk up to a Bitcoin ATM. Visit Rothbard.eu to check ATM locations, opening hours, and cash availability. Some ATMs may offer zero fees during limited time promotions. Choose the cryptocurrency and network you want to use. The displayed price already includes operators' fees. In your wallet, tap Receive to display your QR code. Tap the right side of the ATM screen to start your purchase. Scan your wallet's QR code. Confirm on the screen that the network is correct. Insert the cash into the bill acceptor and confirm the transaction on the screen. ID scan is required for AML. Keep the full document flat on the scanner until the ATM screen tells you to proceed to the next side. For detailed guide, click the top right link. You will see the funds in your wallet within a few minutes, or up to 1 hour, depending on the network. The ATM will print a receipt, and you're done.